How to fix invalid destination address on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so turn on or turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see flight mode is here. If you want to fix this problem, turn on flight mode, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 5 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on next. After click on next, click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.